caramelized onion and apple sausage pasta. Let's go. So we're going to start with Impossible breakfast sausage. Get that browned up. Once it's brown, take it out. And then in that same pot, we're going to add a stick of our vegan country crock butter and 4 medium onions chopped up. We're going to take 2 apples. We're going to peel them. We're going to chop those up. We're going to add those in there as well. And we're going to do a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, red pepper flakes. Put that in there, stir it up. We're like, oh, let this go for like a half an hour. We really want this to that's what we want it to do. And then once that is like almost done, we're going to add our garlic. So we got 2 tablespoons or so. Oh, don't forget to cook your pasta on the side, by the way. I use farfalle, make it al dente. So then we're going to add some vegetable stock, about a cup. And you can use dry white wine, but you want to get the bits off the bottom with that and kind of let that reduce down and get a little bit thicker. I saved some of the pasta water from the pasta. Now we're going to put the pasta in there, about a half a cup of the pasta water. Mix it around. I added a little bit more. That's why you save enough, just in case. And then we're going to add our sausage back in. We're going to mix that together. Then, follow your heart parm. You know I love it. So do about like half a cup of that. A little bit of fresh parsley, right? Mix it together. Save some for garnish. And you guys, this is so freaking luxurious. Like, it's so sexy sauce. It's so umami. The sweetness of the apple is like an earthy. So it really like complements and works well together. Oh my God. I love this. 10 out of 10.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.